What if I told you that the same knowledge paid for by $80,000 a year students at MIT is available to you right now, completely for free? Not a watered-down version, not a 5-minute YouTube tutorial, the actual lectures, the actual problem sets, the actual curriculum. Because in 2026, the biggest barrier to becoming an engineer or a tech professional is no longer access to education. It's knowing where to look. In this video, I'm giving you the 5 platforms any self-taught engineer, anywhere in the world, should have in their toolkit. No subscriptions, no credit card, no university acceptance letter. We're talking MIT, Stanford, Harvard, Google, and more. Before we dive in, if you're new here, Blueprint Hub is the channel where we break down the world's most powerful companies, technologies, and engineering systems. Hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss an episode. Now, let's build your toolkit. Platform 1 MIT OpenCourseWare. The Massachusetts Institute of Technology, consistently ranked one of the best engineering and computer science schools in the world. And since 2001, MIT has been doing something most elite institutions would never dare, giving away their entire curriculum for free to everyone. MIT OpenCourseWare is an open publication of materials from across MIT's full academic catalog. Thousands of courses in computer science, AI, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, robotics, and mathematics. And we're talking the real thing. Lecture videos from actual MIT professors, problem sets, exams with solutions, syllabi. The full package. No registration, no account. Just go to ocew.mit.edu and start learning. No start dates, no deadlines. Learn at your own pace. Over 2 million visits per month from learners on every continent. For engineers specifically, the content is unmatched. Courses like 6.006, Algorithms, 6.034, Artificial Intelligence, 18.06, Linear Algebra with Gilbert Strang, one of the most watched math lectures in internet history. These are the courses MIT students pay tens of thousands of dollars per semester to attend. Think about what that means if you're a student in Cameroon, Brazil, or Indonesia, somewhere where a world-class engineering education isn't accessible. MIT decided the point of a university isn't to keep knowledge inside its walls, it's to spread it. OCW is the proof of that philosophy. One caveat, no certificates, no credentials. But if your goal is mastery, actually understanding how algorithms work, how circuits are designed, how machine learning is built, this is as close to a world-class engineering education as you'll get for free. Platform 2, Coursera. Platform 2 is one you've probably heard of, but most people don't know how to use it properly. That difference is the difference between paying hundreds of dollars or paying absolutely nothing. Coursera was founded in 2012 by 2 Stanford professors with a simple idea: bring the best university education to the world online. Today, that's thousands of courses from over 300 universities. Stanford, Yale, Duke, Google, IBM, Amazon, covering machine learning, data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and software engineering. The course content, lectures, readings, videos, is accessible for free via preview or audit mode, depending on the course. The certificate is paid. The knowledge is free. Andrew Ng's machine learning specialization from Stanford remains one of the best-rated tech courses online, period. Quick transparency note, in mid-2025, Coursera replaced full audit access with a preview mode covering the first module only. Full access beyond that requires a subscription. However, many courses still offer a full course, no certificate option, complete learning, no payment. And financial aid is available for those who need it. If MIT OpenCourseWare is the raw, unfiltered university experience, Coursera is the structured, guided version, designed to take you from beginner to job ready. You just need to know how to navigate it. Platform 3, EDX. Platform 3 was born from a historic bet. In 2012, MIT and Harvard jointly decided to invest $60 million of their own money to build an open learning platform available to anyone on the planet. That platform was EDX. Today, EDX hosts over 4,600 courses from institutions including Harvard, MIT, Stanford, Oxford, and Cambridge, covering electrical engineering, robotics, computer science, data science, cybersecurity, AI, and more. Depth. Courses are built to the same academic standards as on-campus versions. Real problem sets, real exams, real intellectual rigor. The CS50 factor. Harvard's CS50, Introduction to Computer Science, is edX's most enrolled course ever, with over 7 million registrations. It's widely considered the best introductory CS course in existence. And it's free. Full transparency. edX went through turbulence between 2021 and 2024. Acquired by 2U for $800 million, followed by 2U's bankruptcy filing in 2024. But the content is still there. Harvard, MIT, and Stanford courses remain accessible. Free audit pathways still exist for a wide range of programs. CS50 alone is worth bookmarking this platform. Platform 4, Google Skills. Here's a question. Who knows better than Google what it takes to work in tech in 2026? The answer is nobody, which is exactly why Platform 4 is not a university. It's Google itself. In late 2025, Google launched Google Skills, unifying content from Google Cloud, DeepMind, Grow with Google, and Google for Education into one platform. Nearly 3,000 courses and hands-on labs. A significant portion, completely free. Taught by engineers who build the actual systems, not professors theorizing, but the people who architect Google Cloud, train Google's AI models, and deploy at a scale most engineers will never encounter. Industry validated. Finishing a learning path earns a skill badge, a shareable, verifiable credential that proves you did the hands-on work, built for the technologies that matter now. Generative AI, Kubernetes, Gemini, TensorFlow, cloud security, data engineering. The curriculum of 2026, not 2015. According to Google's own data, 86% of decision makers say Google Skills resources help their organization stay ahead in the AI era. 73% report a revenue increase after their teams engage with Google Cloud Learning. These aren't edtech startup numbers, they're impact metrics from the world's most powerful tech company about its own free platform. The era where AI and cloud skills were locked behind $5,000 boot camps, Google is quietly dismantling it. All it takes is a Gmail account and the willingness to show up. Platform 5, Khan Academy. Every platform on this list has a business model. Coursera sells certificates, edX sells credentials, Google monetizes cloud adoption, MIT OpenCourseWare runs on donations. Platform 5 has been free since day one, not as a strategy, as a principle. Khan Academy was founded in 2008 by Salman Khan, MIT and Harvard Business School graduate, who started by tutoring his cousins over the phone. Those calls became YouTube videos. Those videos became a nonprofit that now reaches over 200 million registered users across 190 countries in more than 50 languages. Every lesson, every exercise, permanently, unconditionally free. You might think, isn't Khan Academy just for math in high school? That perception is outdated. In 2026, the platform covers computer science, Python, algorithms, data structures, cryptography, full APCS curriculum, math for engineers, linear algebra, differential equations, multivariable calculus, statistics, every mathematical foundation you need before tackling machine learning, electrical engineering, circuits, transistors, operational amplifiers, a full intro to the discipline, physics, mechanics, thermodynamics, electromagnetism, the physical foundations of every engineering field. Here's the honest truth experienced engineers will tell you. The biggest reason talented people plateau in tech isn't missing advanced knowledge, it's shaky foundations. They skipped the fundamentals. They jumped into frameworks without the underlying math. Khan Academy is where you go to make those foundations unbreakable. Sal Khan's goal was to give every student on Earth access to the same quality of education as the wealthiest child in the most privileged school system. 2 decades later, he's actually delivering on that. Conclusion: 5 platforms, $0, and together access to virtually every technical concept that powers the modern world. MIT OpenCourseWare, the raw, unfiltered university experience. Thousands of courses, 0 barriers. Coursera, structured specializations from Stanford, Yale, Google, and IBM. Preview free, invest only if you need the credential. EDX, Harvard and MIT's joint vision, home of CS50, the most enrolled CS course in online history. Google Skills, 3,000 courses built by engineers running the world's most advanced AI and cloud infrastructure. Free, validated, built for today. Khan Academy, the purest free education platform in existence. Your foundations, your bedrock. Here's the message I want you to take away. The education gap between someone born into privilege and someone who wasn't, that gap is closing. Not because institutions decided to be generous, because a small number of organizations decided knowledge should belong to everyone. MIT decided it in 2001. Khan Academy decided it in 2008. Google decided it every time they made another course free. What they need in return is simple. Someone willing to sit down, open a browser, and start. The platforms are there. The content is there. The only variable is you. If this video gave you value, drop a comment with which platform you're starting with. Share it with one person trying to break into tech. And subscribe if you haven't, because this is exactly the kind of content Blueprint Hub is here to make. Next video, we're going back to what Blueprint Hub does best, breaking down the engineering and business story behind one of the most iconic companies shaping the world right now. You don't want to miss it. Until then, stay curious, stay hungry, and build something great.